Yes, children, let us see one more question based on the same multiple proportion. Two oxides of lead were separately reduced to metallic lead by heating with hydrogen. Okay, lead, the symbol of lead is Pb. Okay, now two oxides, one is an yellow oxide, the other one is a brown oxide. Mass of yellow oxide is 3.45 and that of brown oxide is 1.227. And here he has given loss in mass due to reduction. Again, try to recollect the same equation. MO plus hydrogen gives you M plus water. So when the metal oxide is heated in the presence of hydrogen, what are you getting? You are getting metal and water. So loss in mass due to reduction. What is this loss in mass? It is due to water. Okay, so the amount of water produced when the metal oxide was heated with hydrogen, in the first oxide it was 0.24 gram, in the second one it was 0.16 gram. So this is what you have to understand. Okay, now once you understand that metal oxide, when it is heated in a current of hydrogen, you are getting metal and water. Now you know very well that 18 gram of water contains 16 gram of oxygen in it, as in the previous numerical also I told you, let's say. Now how much of water is produced? Loss in mass due to reduction is due to mass of water. Water escape कर गया हीट करने पे, ठीक है, तो कितना लॉस हुआ? 0.24 ग्राम का लॉस था. तो 0.24 किस तरीके से गया? वो पानी के रूप में गया. So 0.24 gram of water must be having how much of oxygen? So that is 0.24 into 16 upon 80. So this is coming out to be 0.64 upon 3, that is 0.213 gram of oxygen. 0.24 gram of water is having 0.213 gram of oxygen in it. So this is for the first oxide. Now let us see for the second oxide. For the second oxide, again the same way. 18 gram of water contains 16 gram of oxygen in it. Therefore, 0.16 gram of water will contain how much? So 0.16 into 16 upon 80. Now this is giving you 1.28. See this 3 say 2 से करो तो 9, this will go 8, so 8 into 16 is 1.28 आ रहा है upon 9. This is giving you 0.142 gram. This is what you are getting. Now come to metal and oxygen. You have got oxygen. This is the mass of oxygen in both the cases. Metal oxide कितना है? Metal oxide is 3.45 gram and oxide in the oxygen in the first case was 0.213. So what will be that of metal? It will be 3.45 minus 0.213. That will be 3.237 gram. This is first one. Then second one, you see, second one is 1.227. Metal oxide mass is 1.227 gram. And how much of oxygen you got? You got 1.412. So this should be 1.227 minus 0.142. That will give you 1.085. So you have got now metal का mass भी मिल गया, oxygen का mass भी मिल गया, ठीक है. Now we have to correspond it to 1 gram as usual. So what you will do? 3.237 gram of metal is combined with 0.213 gram of oxygen. Therefore 1 gram of, this is metal, okay. So therefore 1 gram of metal will combine with how much? So 1 into 0.213 by 3.237. So this will come to be 0.065 gram. This is your first oxide. Then look at the second oxide. Second oxide says 1.085 gram of metal is associated with 0.1142 gram of oxygen. Therefore, 1 gram of metal will be attached to how much? So that is 1 into 0.142 upon 1.085. So this is coming out to be 0.130 gram. Now you see the ratio between these two, because इसको तो हमने 1 gram standardize कर लिया, तो ratio हमने इसका निकालना है, that is that of oxygen, and you have to say that it is a simple ratio, 0.065 is to 0.130. 65 into 2 is 130, isn't it? So that is 1 is to 2. This is the ratio. So that is how the law of chemical combination is proved. So this is your final answer.